Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a Chad Valley slide and hide multi-play. Right, we're going to be unboxing that. And as you see, box 1 of 2, and there is box 2. Okay, so we're going to pop those open and show you what you get for your money. Gentlemen, there it is, our swing slide. I forgot what it's called now. It's all put together, all set up, everything, our little basketball net on the side. There it is. So once again, from Tradespeople's Tip, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. I beg you, stop doing it. Fair job, fair price. Yeah, till next time, people, take care of yourself and each other. See you in the next episode of Tradespeople's Tips. Hope you help. Good luck. See ya.